Now, the jury will return tomorrow morning to continue those deliberations. All right, still with us, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. And Michael, I'm 12 hours, I never expected that. I knew there'd be some difficulties here because of the forensic evidence, but what's clear to me, if this jury is asking about cause and causation, they think he was involved, but I think what it says to me, Mike, is that they don't believe it was his hand that killed these girls, because clearly causation wouldn't be an issue.
That's the only thing that means. A really good attorney always taught me about primacy and recency. He's now a court TV host by the name of Michael Ayala. Some people tell me about him.
Pretty good.
I heard about the guy. Yeah, he said many times about primacy and recency, and damn, was that closing argument by the prosecution good. It was really good, because I witnessed all the evidence coming into the trial, right? There's overwhelming doubt that he committed these murders, right? Overwhelming doubt. There's no, stabbing somebody to death, but there's no, unless he's a manicurist who took their nails and cleaned them off after he committed the murder. I mean, so what if he ran? He's a criminal, right? We all know that he's a criminal. We all know that he's got dirty hands from that whole entire operation, like this Breaking Bad version of real life, just crazy, bizarre situation, right? So for them to be asking about causation, it can only mean that they want to know, hey, we have this job, and I love it when juries take their job seriously. There's so many juries that just throw people to the wolves, and we know that they made a mistake. In this case, they're taking it seriously, and they're saying, look, we're about to throw this guy into jail for the rest of his life. What's the definition? You're giving us jury instructions. Please elaborate on causation. We clearly know that he was there, but how do we overcome the burden of causation, right? Primacy and recency, the prosecution ended well with telling everybody he's the one who turned off the cameras. He's the one who ran from the police. He was the only person in the vicinity. He's the person who was there, right? He was physically there, right? And so that's got to be why the jury's asking about causation, because it matters, and I agree with them. That does matter, and I'm troubled with it as well. I was on that jury seeing what I see. I would probably tend towards saying there's reasonable doubt. That doesn't mean he's innocent, but there's reasonable doubt that he met every single element necessary for us to find him guilty.